Imagine this. You wake up, and while you're still rubbing the sleep out of your eyes, your day is already in full swing. Your morning coffee already brewed. Your emails sorted and prioritized. Your calendar organized to perfection, all thanks to AI robots. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is happening right now. People are leveraging AI robots to multiply their productivity, boost their earnings, and free up time like never before. Today, we're going to dive into exactly how you can get in on this. I'll show you the real-world ways AI robots are turbocharging productivity, and, just as exciting, what the future holds for even more incredible innovations. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to start using AI robots to 10x your productivity right now. But before starting, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon for regular updates. Let's dive deep into the video. So AI robots are no longer just cool gadgets or experimental tech. They're mainstream and actively transforming how we work and live. Think about the personal AI assistants many of us already use: Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa. These aren't just voice-activated toys anymore. They're managing our schedules, reminding us of meetings, even ordering groceries. Imagine how much time you save when you have an AI assistant handling those repetitive tasks. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a break, never forgets, and is always just a voice command away. But it doesn't stop there. Businesses are using AI robots to automate operations in ways that were unimaginable a few years ago. Take Amazon's Kiva robots, for instance. These little guys are buzzing around warehouses, picking and packing orders faster than any human ever could. What does that mean? It means companies are scaling up without scaling costs, delivering faster, and serving more customers with fewer errors. And here's where it gets even more exciting. There are robots on the horizon that promise to take productivity to the next level. For example, TeslaBot, Elon Musk's latest project, is set to revolutionize industry, taking over dangerous, repetitive, or mundane tasks. Whether it's factory work, logistics, or even home chores, Optimus aims to be a general-purpose robot capable of adapting to a wide range of tasks, giving us more freedom to focus on what really matters. Agility Robotics Digit. This bipedal robot is designed for human-like mobility, capable of navigating complex environments and performing tasks that require walking, carrying, and manipulating objects. Digit is expected to be a game-changer in areas like delivery services, warehouse management, and even healthcare. Molly's Robotic Kitchen. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooked meal without lifting a finger. Molly's Robotic Kitchen is bringing that vision to life. This fully automated kitchen can prepare thousands of recipes with the precision of a master chef, turning your kitchen into a productivity powerhouse. These robots aren't just concepts, they're in development and will soon be part of our everyday lives, further amplifying our productivity. And for content creators out there, AI is your new best friend. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are helping writers churn out articles, social media posts, and yes, even scripts like this one, at lightning speed. More output in less time, that's the name of the game. Now, you might be thinking, okay, AI is great and all, but how do I actually use it to make my life easier? That's exactly what we're talking about next. Alright, so here's the deal. If you're ready to jump on this AI bandwagon, and trust me, you should be, there are a few steps you can take right now to start boosting your productivity. First up, start small. Look at your daily routine and pinpoint those time-consuming tasks. Maybe it's sorting through emails, managing your calendar, or keeping track of your to-do list. There's an AI tool out there that can handle it for you. Apps like Notion AI or Todoist can help you organize your projects, while YNAB or You Need a Budget can keep your finances on track. The key here is consistency. The more you let these tools handle the mundane, the more time you free up for the things that really matter, like growing your business or enjoying your free time. But it's not just about automating tasks. You need to upskill too. The more you know about AI, the better you can use it to your advantage. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer tons of courses that break down AI in simple, practical terms. You don't need to become a data scientist, but having a basic understanding will help you make smarter decisions, especially if you're running a business or managing a team. And speaking of smart decisions, AI can help with that too. Tools like IBM Watson or Salesforce Einstein can analyze mountains of data and spit out insights that would take a human an age to figure out. Imagine making business decisions based on solid, data-driven insights in minutes instead of days. That's a game changer. But what's really exciting? What's coming next? We're just scratching the surface of what AI robots can do. Let's take a peek into the future. Okay, so the AI we have now is already pretty amazing. But the future? It's next level awesome. Let's talk about some areas where AI robots are set to really shake things up. Healthcare, for instance. AI robots in the future won't just assist doctors, they'll diagnose, monitor, and even treat patients. We're talking about real-time health monitoring and personalized treatment plans designed by AI. Imagine routine checkups handled by a robot, freeing up doctors to focus on more complex cases. This could mean faster, more efficient healthcare that's accessible to more people. And what about transportation? Autonomous AI is going to revolutionize how we get from point A to point B. Self-driving cars and drones aren't just ideas. They're being tested right now and could soon become the norm. This will change everything from daily commutes to how businesses handle deliveries. Imagine the productivity boost when you no longer have to sit in traffic or wait days for a package to arrive. But AI isn't just about doing stuff faster. It's also about doing it more creatively. We're seeing AI robots that can generate art, compose music, and even write stories. In the future, AI could collaborate with human creators, taking on the grunt work and leaving the true creative sparks to us. This could open up entirely new possibilities in the arts and entertainment industry. Now, before we get too carried away with all this AI awesomeness, we need to talk about some challenges that come with it. Besides, let's be real, with great power comes great responsibility. So here's the thing. As much as AI robots are going to help us, they're also going to shake things up in ways we need to be ready for. First, there's the issue of job displacement. AI is going to take over a lot of tasks, which means some jobs might disappear. But that's also an opportunity. It's a chance to reskill, to move into roles that are more creative, more strategic, and frankly, more human. But it's up to us businesses, governments, and individuals to make sure there are programs in place to help people transition smoothly. Then there's data privacy. AI runs on data, lots of it. But with that comes concerns about how our data is collected, used, and protected. We need to ensure that there are strong regulations and practices to safeguard our privacy while still allowing AI to evolve and thrive. And lastly, we need to think about ethics. As AI robots become more autonomous, it's crucial that they're developed with ethical guidelines to prevent any unintended consequences. Whether it's avoiding biases or ensuring transparency, we need to make sure AI is used for good. So there you have it, the incredible potential of AI robots to 10x your productivity. The steps you can take right now to harness that power, and a glimpse into a future that's closer than you might think. The world of AI is here, and it's changing everything. But the best part? You don't have to wait to start benefiting. The tools are available, the opportunities are endless, and the time to act is now. So go ahead, explore the world of AI, start integrating it into your life, and watch your productivity and your potential skyrocket. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next one.